Hello, my name's Mark Adams. I'm the Vice President of Design for Vauxhall, and today I'm here to show you the very exciting new Vauxhall Mokka. This is actually the first car that brings through all of the new visual DNA for not just this Vauxhall, but all future Vauxhalls coming in the very near future. So let's talk about the design in a bit more detail. And let's start with the face of the car, which is certainly one of the most important things of any brand. And here we have the new Vauxhall face. In fact, we call it the visor for very obvious reasons. It's a framed element that runs full width of the car, containing all the high-tech areas, including the typical Vauxhall wing signature light, the matrix headlamps, which is a super usable technology. And here we also have the new emblem, the new Vauxhall emblem, where we've made it even more bolder and more refined. This is accented by the usual center crease that we have in all Vauxhall cars. Here, we've just made it even more strong and impactful. And in fact, the visor, going back to the visor here, it's made up of a real clean, almost glass-like look, because we don't need any cooling in this area. All of the cooling's down below, and this gives us this very high-tech appearance. This car is all about efficiency, and none more than the aerodynamic efficiency of this car. And there's many details that are really super, that give it this great opportunity to be efficient. And here, for example, the slot give an air cushion over the wheels, allowing the air to be connected through the body and out sharply through the rear end, giving this car a great aerodynamic performance. Together with its slightly lowered roof height, really make this a very, very efficient car. Let's go round to the side of the car and talk a bit more there. Okay, so around the side of the car, clearly the vehicle is a very dynamic shape in its overall profile. But what we've done very cleverly is not only take this two-tone roof effect that we have on many Vauxhalls today, we've actually integrated that through the hood all the way to the visor. What this does is make the car feel much slimmer and lighter, more elegant, and really stretches the car out, giving it a very dynamic, sporty look. This is accentuated further by the very pronounced wheel arches with very defined edges, both front and rear, and beautiful sculptural quality down the side of the car here, giving it a real sense of dynamism. The C-pillar also has a very sporty push-forward angle, which really makes it feel like the car's springing off the rear wheel. So again, all making it look very dynamic and a great driver's car, which it obviously is. So let's talk a little bit more around the rear of the car now. So the rear of the car really again shows the very sporty characteristics of the vehicle. As I said, this has very strong haunches, really pushes the wheels out to the edges. Bear in mind, this is not much wider than a Corsa, yet I think the overall power expression is much stronger again. But particular detail that's very important on the rear of this car is the tail lamps, which are all LED for every function. And that enabled us to get this very slim wing signature light again. And all of the other functions are contained, whether it's brake light, turn signal, or reverse lamp, are all contained within the very thin module at the end, making it very elegant and refined. We're also showing again very prominently and clearly the new emblem, and particularly showing the new positioning of our future nameplate branding. So here the Mokka nameplate is spread out, so it's a very modern look to the car, and all built around the central compass expression that we've talked about many times before. So overall, I hope you'll agree, the exterior of this car really does have this combination of being bold and pure and very dynamic and sporty. And we're very excited by the car's exterior, but we're also excited by the interior too. So let's talk about that. So on the inside, again, we're showing this very bold and pure look, but what's very important in this car is that it is a full digital interface. So here we have 7-inch and 7-inch in the low-end car, but here we have 12-inch and 10-inch screens connected together so that they're perfectly located for ergonomic reach and focal length that makes the whole driving experience very relaxing and easy to use. But even though I said the whole experience is digital, what we have done is made sure that the quick interfaces are with mechanical buttons. So relative to your heater and ventilation controls, your volume control, or even the home button are all mechanical buttons that you can get to very quickly and very efficiently, which again helps make the driving experience very relaxed and easy to use. And that's something that we want to express not only on this Vauxhall, but on future Vauxhall vehicles. The rest of the interior is again very dynamic, really fitting with the expression of the overall car. The seats are also very sculptural and very sporty in their color combinations and material combinations. So overall, not only does this car have a wonderful character, but it has a really high quality execution that we hope is going to be very successful in the marketplace. So I hope you all agree. We're excited about the Mokka. Hopefully you will too. Thank you.